Here on the WIX dashboard, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then search for settings right here. Just click on it. After that, you want to scroll down a bit until you find general right here, and then you want to click on business info. Here on the business info, you can just add, change, or remove your business name or business category. Here, for example, I want to change my business name to YouTube tutorial. Just click on it and then change the way you like it. And then also in the category, you can also search for the category that your business is in. For example, you are a baking business, just search for baking and then just click on one of them. And to remove it, you can just block it and then tap on delete, and also do it on your name. And after that, don't forget to click on save at the very top right of your screen. And there you go. From now, people will see your business name on their invoice and when chatting on your website platform. And it also can improve your website search result and ranking on Google. So when somebody search about your business on Google, for example, it will help your website to be on top of the list. And that's how to add, change, or remove business name and category on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.